Tonight, the clock is ticking on a new abortion law in Tennessee. The abortion decision Friday by the U.S. Supreme Court started that clock. The new Tennessee law is set to take effect in 27 days, forbidding any medical provider from performing abortions.
Now, we have seen some misconceptions online about this new law, so 10 News reporter Vinay Simlot verifies.
Since the Supreme Court decision that affected Roe v. Wade on Friday, we've gotten questions from viewers about what Tennessee's law does and doesn't do. So we verify. Our sources today, the Tennessee Human Life Protection Act and Chloe Akers, a criminal defense lawyer in Knoxville. The first, Tennessee's trigger law, outlaws treatments to remove a fetus in a miscarriage. We can verify that is false. A doctor can remove a fetus if it has died.
The removal of that fetus is not even considered an abortion under the definition.
Next, people can leave Tennessee to get an abortion. We verify that is true.
There is no law in place that would prevent anyone from leaving the state of Tennessee to obtain these services.
What about exceptions? Most people claim there are exceptions to Tennessee's law outlawing abortions, but it's false. There aren't any exceptions to the law.
In a situation of rape, in a situation of incest, in a situation of trafficking,
people in those situations would still have to carry to term and give birth. But that lawyer says there are affirmative defenses, basically something that can be used as a defense in court if a doctor is prosecuted for providing abortion services. Those defenses:
the abortion was necessary to prevent death or serious irreparable damage and permanent damage to a woman's bodily function.
Finally, that lawyer stresses it's up to the courts to define exactly what this law means here in Tennessee. That lawyer also says if you get an abortion pill prescribed from a doctor outside of Tennessee, it will still be illegal for a pharmacist to fill it.
So, Vinay, do we have any idea how this will be enforced?
Not really, Robin. It's up to the local district attorneys to decide how to prosecute a case like this, and whether they do prosecute a case where a provider gives someone an abortion, they'll have to do their own investigation and use their own judgment.
All right, Vinay, thank you very much.